So we noticed the dome here out in Dome City, and as far as the domes are concerned, in total 10 domes are there, and beneath every dome there are 4 each wooden cottages. So in total there are 40 wooden cottages. Now how cottages look like, what are the material used, who have been making this all, we will show you each and everything. What are the facilities inside the wooden cottages? So we are now entered the wooden cottages. This is one of an example. So this is how wooden cottages looks like. Beautiful wallpapers, PVC paneling. And here also, if we talk about the basic facilities, we will show you. This is the washroom and geyser is placed inside it. So this whole cottages look quite fascinating. So in total 40 cottages are built, each with modern amenities, air condition, geysers, and for people, for tourists and devotees, arrangement for Sattvic food is there. Now the question comes, how many cottages are there? What is the main areas? Who has made these cottages? What is the material used? What are the facilities inside that we are continuously showing you? How big the cottage is? What is the cost? For the actual figures, we'll talk with a concerned person here. We'll try to reach out to them, because from today, when I'm talking about the online booking that has already been started, it's being done, people have already applied for it, and in just couple of hours, that has been told, officials here told us that the guest will be started arriving for the check-ins. So this is the Dome City. We are continuously showing you the pictures, the aerial view at the Arail Ghat. These are the wooden cottages that has already been well furnished and is ready to use. As far as dome is concerned, we showed you the pictures. These are actually waterproof, bulletproof, fireproof, providing all the comfort for the guest who will be coming here and providing the memories, because this technique is used first time in India, and the igloo structures that has been provided to the dome and also the cottages. Here people can do activities like they can meditate, yogas, separate area have been divided. So for further details, let's go on to some further officials who can explain that what is the how to navigate it, what is the process, how to come here, how to navigate it, and what are the facilities out here, what is the costing, and on special date on Snan, what is the actual costing, everything.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.